Welcome to your daily dose of dividend. Coca-Cola is a Fortune 500 company within the soft drinks industry. The stock price has underperformed the S&P 500 index over the last 10 years, even with dividends reinvested. Let's briefly analyze some key fundamentals. Data is based on a 5-year average. Sales growth, minus 5.70%. Earnings growth, 1.4%. Earnings estimates, 7.24%. Return on capital, 10.47%. Debt to free cash flow, 5.00 years. Share buybacks, no. Now for some dividend metrics. Dividend yield, 2.81%. Payout ratio, 72.1%. Growth rate, 3.71%. Growth years, 59 years. That gives Coca-Cola 2 out of 10 points. Ouch. That's a terrible score. You might want to reevaluate Coca-Cola if you already own it in your dividend portfolio. Based on historical multiples and future estimates, Coca-Cola is fairly valued. Don't forget to subscribe and please come back tomorrow for another quick analysis. Have a great day.